Shoulders are the most wrongly trained muscles out there, and because of that, they are the most common muscles which get injured. So today I'll be telling you guys 3 worst and 3 best exercises for your shoulders. So watch carefully if you want to make insane progress for your shoulders. Hey guys, my name is Apur Agrawal. Hope you are having an amazing day. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I've got hundreds of videos on workouts, diets, motivations which you don't wanna miss out. So first, let's start from the worst. The first exercise which you need to avoid no matter what will be behind the neck shoulder press. Shoulders are legit the most frequent muscle group which gets injured, and doing exercises like this is one of the main reason. Behind the neck shoulder press places your rotator cuffs in a very awkward position. It puts a lot of stress to them. If you are not cautious enough and you lift a lot of weight on this exercise, then you will get injured. And who wants that? It will not only hurt your shoulder but as well as your neck. Just because you saw some buff guy doing this exercise, you don't need to do it. Now, the second exercise will be upright row. This exercise again hits your shoulder with it. It also hits your traps. Now, the reason why this exercise is dangerous is because when you do this exercise, your hand gets locked. So the risk of your shoulders moving forward and getting injured increases a lot. Nowadays, you are on your phone, working on laptop, sitting on your desk most of the time. It has made your shoulder muscles more tight. So the risk of getting injured has increased a lot. Now, the third exercise will be front raises. This exercise isn't dangerous, but it's a waste of time. I know you think I'm saying BS, but wait, let me explain. So basically, without going much into the scientific terms, your shoulder comprises of 3 parts: your rear legs, your middle head, and your front head. Whether you do your bench press, whether it is flat or inclined, yes, it primarily hits your chest, but it also hits your front head of your shoulder. So does many other exercises. So your front head is already growing. No need for you to hit it separately. Otherwise your body will just become unbalanced. Big front shoulders but no roundness in your middle head or your back head, which will just look terrible. So there's no point in doing this exercise. I'm not saying you don't have to hit your front head, but there are so many better exercises for it, for which I'm going to talk about now. So the first exercise will be lateral raises. If you seriously want wide shoulders, start putting more attention to your middle head, and the best exercise for it is lateral raises. Sounds easy, but it isn't. 99% of the time guys are doing it wrong, and I'm not even kidding. Keep your elbows slightly bent. It's one of the most important exercise. Another thing you can do is to do it with cable raises. You really feel your side delt working when you are doing this exercise. I like to switch between cables and dumbbells. On one push day, I will do with dumbbells. On another push day, I will do it with cable. If you are looking for a free push-pull leg split workout routine, make sure to check out this video. This is the same workout I did to make most of my progress, and you will make insane gains as well doing this. The second best exercise will be barbell shoulder press. This is one of the best exercise for your front delts, but also very injury prone. So make sure you do it with proper form. Don't swing too much and perform the rep in a very controlled way. You can lift a lot more weight when it comes to this exercise. Also, this exercise is a compound movement, so it will not only target your shoulder but other muscle group as well. Now, the third exercise will be seated dumbbell press. This is my favorite exercise to do. You can really get heavy on it, and this exercise also hit your front as well as side delt too. Many people do it standing, but in my opinion you should do it seated, as it is far more effective and safe way to do it. So for all those people who made it till the end of the video, here's a bonus tip for you. The thing is, if you want a 3D look, you have to hit your real delts as well. And the main reason why most of the guys have problem with their shoulders is because they don't hit their real delts. They neglect them. Doing real delts will provide that much needed symmetry to your body, and also it will reduce the chances of being injured. They will keep your shoulders healthy. Best exercise in my opinion is face pulls. Get the form right, and you can do this exercise for 4 sets of 10 reps each, and that is enough. So yeah, I hope this video helps you in making your shoulder progress a lot much better. If you have any doubt, make sure to DM me on Instagram. The username is in the description box below. So that's it guys for today. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you did, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.